Guys, welcome back to the hobby farm. Today is a beautiful day out, but it is so warm out that everything is stalled out and the ground is just a complete mess. I mean, everywhere you step you're seeing a couple inches and stuff like that. So being it's so nice out, I think I'm gonna let these chickens out of the coop and let them roam around a little bit and see what they get into. Hopefully we'll all come back. You guys ready to come out? Sure you are. Come on, guys. So hopefully they all come out. I'm gonna throw some food out. Let's go get them some food. So I'll let them out. Hopefully they'll come back in tonight. If not, I'll start that process all over again, catching the ones that don't go in. I still have that one. He keeps getting out. I'm not sure how, but he's like a Houdini. I'm not sure. We'll go in here and get like a cup of food for him. Just throw it out and let them munch on it. Let's see what happens. It's almost time for another barn clean, that's for sure. But if it maintains this weather throughout the winter, this hay season for the spring is going to be extremely wet, and I don't know when we're going to be able to get in the fields. So let's go ahead and get this. All right, guys, we're gonna play a little catch with the dog here. April, come. Just stole the ball. Bring the ball, April. Here she comes. Put it down. Down. Put it down. Down. Drop. Ah, drop it. Drop. All right, let's see if we can get it going. Let's go over here. Come over here, April. Put it down. April, put it down. Down, down. Put it down, April. Down, drop. Drop it. All right, here we go again. This dog has never-ending energy. That's all she wants to do. I could do this for 3 hours straight. She'll go in and want to do it again. Put it down. Put it down. Drop. Drop.
What is that, rubber?
Yep. You want to do it?
Mm-hmm. April, put it down. Down. Down!
Easy.
April. Drop. Drop. Oh, that almost went in there.
Yeah, I thought it was going to go in the the hay lift. I'm gonna take you back here and just show you how freaking muddy it is. I mean, it's so muddy. It's just, if any of you guys got a better idea to put back here, I built the barn east to west so both sides would get sun, but this mud is just absolutely ridiculous. Now I built this all up, but thinking about putting some crushed limestone in here, so that should take care of it, but I might have to put it up maybe 6-7 inches thick. But like down in here, these horses have just got it all tore up. Huh, Fritzy? Guys got it all tore up, don't you? About ate that round bale. We'll probably have to replace that round bale here pretty soon. Yeah, I'll take you in the garage and show you that wood burner. I burned most of the paint off of it, but we're definitely gonna have to, I think I'm gonna have to do one more burn on it to get everything done, you know, get everything out of there. It's got some oil in it still, but I'll take you up here and show you that. Yeah, it's just, I mean, just so sloppy out here. It's ridiculous. So there's a lot of things I want to get done, but I just can't because it's just too wet. You know, I need to get some of that machinery up here to be worked on. And I just can't get to anything because the tractors are just sinking right into the ground. So that's why we need it to freeze up, so at least we can drive on it. All right, let's go in here and check this thing out. Let me open up this door, get some light in here. All right. So most of the paint's burned off the first barrel. The second one is the one that's still needs some work. A lot of it come off, but you know, it didn't even get hot enough to get these stickers to come off. But we'll burn it again before we hook it all up. But I just wanted to let you know, like, the whole time frame of building this was probably around, oh geez, I think it took me 2.5 hours to put it all together. You know, probably not the best kit in the world, but I mean, a lot of guys make their own stuff. You know, I probably could have, but I don't have time to sit there and fabricate everything. Can't imagine it being too hard for really what, you know, what I had to do just to put this one in. But you know, for 57 bucks for the kit, then another 30 for the secondary kit, it's worth it because it saves me time, and I don't think I would be able to buy the material for that price just to do the way I wanted to do it. You know, they give you all these pieces like this here, and you know, they're concaved with the barrel, so it fits on there perfectly. But we'll get this hooked in. I think I'm gonna put it back there. My garage is a mess. Look at this. Holy mackerel. Got tools laying everywhere. That's the thing, I can do a project, but then I don't have time to clean it up. So I'm gonna have to change all that. Well, I'm gonna put it right here, this side of that pole. I'm gonna move that shelf over. All this stuff's gonna go out in the barn because I gotta finish that one horse stall. Then I'll just poke it through the ceiling. Once I get through the ceiling there, or maybe right before that, I'll go between that 2x10 and 2x4 and put it through there. And I'll make a whole video of that. But yeah, so like I said, I mean, it took about 2.5-3 hours to do that. It wasn't that bad. I mean, the instructions are horrible. I'm not sure who wrote them. I mean, they're even hard to read, but it's pretty self-explanatory once you get it out of the box, that's for sure. But yeah, so you know, next video on the stove anyways will be an install. I got to save up a little money to get that kit because, like I told you, the one through the wall is like 500 bucks. So it's going to take a little bit, save up a little bit of money, get that done. And because I want to do it right, I want to buy the right stuff. I mean, some guys wouldn't care to just put a hole through there and put some fire rated insulation around it, but I have too much money in this shop. I don't really want to burn it down. So I'll buy the kit, do it right, and I'll take you guys step by step on that. So hopefully it'll be an interesting video. Yeah, I just want to check in with you guys, do a little vlog, let chickens out, show you them guys, and see how muddy it is. But we'll go ahead and end this video here, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks.